Okay, our third and final left hand exercise that we're going to do is we're going to start limbering these fingers up, getting ready to play. Now that we've done some of the stretches and taken these and stretched them out, now we're going to start limbering them up. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some hammer-ons and pull-offs. We're going to start here again on the higher part of the neck to make it a little bit easier and work our way up this way because it's much tougher this way. We want to kind of crawl before we can walk, okay? So we're going to start here. What I'm going to do is, now notice on the last couple exercises here I was using the clean tone, okay, so I can hear the notes better. Here you can go ahead and kick on distortion, it's a lot easier. And also try to do these on a clean tone too, and try to hear every single notes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here on the first string. I'm going to keep my first finger locked on the 12th fret, and I'm going to go up and down, just hammer-ons from 12 to 13 using my second finger like this. And then I'm going to go to the 13th fret with my third finger. And then I'm going to go to the 15th fret with my fourth finger. And then I'm going to extend that one more to the 16th fret with the same finger, the fourth finger. So together it's something like that. If you really want to get adventurous, you can keep going further and further and further and further if you want for all you shredders out there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this, starting just on one string, and I'm going to start descending again 4 frets at a time, doing the same pattern. So I'll start here on 12, and I'll play through the pattern, and then I'll go 4 frets lower to 9. I'll play it through again. Then I'll go here to 6, play it through again, go down to 4, and end up on the 2nd fret, and I'll play through this whole pattern. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the metronome on. I'm going to be playing 16th notes over this. Okay, so I have a subdivision of 4 notes per click. All right, so it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, and I'm going to play through the set like this, and then play it forwards twice on each fret position, and then slowly start to move it down. Sounds something like this. 2, 3, 4. Now, after I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to start changing strings and doing some different string areas to make it a little bit more difficult on myself. So by the time I get down to this area and I get to the 6th string, again, the hand is extended like this. So I really have to spread out looking like this now, okay? Now, I try to want to isolate each note to make sure it sounds nice and clean. Okay, I don't want you to go too fast yet, okay? The speed will come eventually. You can take this metronome, I would recommend starting very slow like this, and then you can just work your way up tempo-wise until you get this nice and comfortable. All right, so again, I'm going to start back on 12, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start going to other strings and doing the same pattern and crawl this way up the neck. And again, sounds something like this. 2, 3, 4. And so on and so on and so on, as you can see exactly how that works. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump up the metronome to about 130 beats per minute, it's just a little bit quicker, and I'm going to go ahead and go through the same thing, okay? Again, you can extend this as fast as you want. Just don't get too fast and kill yourself, what a lot of guitar players do, okay? You don't want to go up to like, 200 beats per minute if you can't do it at 160. So keep it at a certain tempo so you can play through nice and clean, and then go ahead and just go upwards in tempo, okay? So this is 130, sounds something like this. 2, 3, 4. And that is going to finish out the left hand exercises. 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.